Hello everyone, good morning. I'm sorry for my hand. So, my name is Laushi Diana. Okay, and I am very new in Pulfish and I'm just applying and pero nakapasa na ako for free talk. Okay, pero hindi ko feel mag free talk kasi nga ay mas gusto ko yung mga kids turuan. Okay, so nag-apply ako for kids course and then so now I will just guide you on how to apply in Pulfish because I experienced it already. And first is may kulang pero ayun na nga. May nag-guide naman sa akin. Ewan ko pero parang Chinese yata yun siya. He just chatted me. Okay, ipapakita ko na sa iyo yung screen record ko kung ano yung ginawa ko. Ito na yung sinabi niya para makapasa ako sa basic info. Okay. At sa yung mga certificate. So, for certificate, actually, wala akong certificate. So, mailalagay akong link down below and kung paano kayo makakuha ng TEFL certificate. And, ayun na nga, para makakuha kayo kasi kailangan talaga nilang certificate. TESOL, TEFL, PRCID, and some other certificate na nagpapatunay na nagtuturo ka or you are anong ba tawag doon? Or capable ka na magturo sa Pulfish. Okay. And yes, nag-apply ako for kids course kasi nga mas gusto ko turuan yung mga kids. So, now, pero yung demo ko is on ano pa? On December 20. 17, ano ba yung 17? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 5 p.m. 5 p.m. ngayon, sa susunod na December 20. Sa December 20 na darating. Okay? So, ito yun. Nag-prepare ako ng tar papel. So, ito yun. Long bond paper to siya na pinagdikit-dikit ko lang. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. 4! Okay, so 8 lahat siya. Pati ito sa baba. Pinagdikit-dikit ko lang siya sa likod. Sketch tape ko lang siya. And then, I printed some logo of Pulfish. Ito, my name. Pulfish teacher, Diana. And then some sea creatures. Okay, so ganito mga fish. And then some ABC, 1, 2, 3. And also, I printed this one kasi kailangan siya. Dapat sa demo kasi, may nakalakay doon. So, screen record ko na lang siya for basis nyo. And then, ito, ginawa ko to kasi, nakita ko pwede ka kasi maka-enter doon sa demo mo. Pwede ka makapag-practice. So, yung gagawa kong props is all about doon sa demo na class. So, need nyo ng kasi meron nose, mouth, eyes. Okay, let's take a picture of it. Okay, and doon sa animals, gamitin nyo yung tawag doon, hindi siya filter. Pero yung mga stickers, may stickers kasi doon sa app. And yun yung gamitin nyo para sa mga animals. Okay? And pwede ka rin magbigay ng stars doon. Pero 5 lang. So, ayun, nagprint din ako ng mga stars. Cute stars. Colorful stars. 4 na stars. Okay, ito. And then, some ribbons. Ribbons. More on ribbons ako. Okay. Ribbons. Superstar. Well done. Very good. Star Award. And then good effort. And some ice cream. Okay, kasi hindi talaga ako. So, actually, nag-work ako sa ibang ESL company. And then, usually, hindi ako gumagamit ng mga rewards. Dito na talaga ako gumawa ng rewards kasi kailangan sa demo. And then, some good work. Yes, okay. So, i-explain ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung dapat yung gawin. So, mag-screen record lang ako. Okay, so, see you in my screen record. Thank you. Goodbye. So, hello guys. So, ayan, mag-screen record na tayo. And then, So, ito na yung ano ko. Dito na ako sa app. So, wait lang muna. Para makita nyo yung logo ng app para di kayo ma-chujuggles. Okay, so ito, Pulfish Tea. Dapat ganito yung logo na i-download nyo. So, before kayo mag-download ng Pulfish na app, make sure na meron na kayong TEFL and some valid IDs kung wala naman, or passport kung wala naman. You can just use birth certificate para nagpapatunay lang na sa Philippines ka nakatira. Yes. Okay, so let's open that one. Then, ayan na nga, nakapasa na ko for ano kasi ito siya, for a free talk. Kung i-start button mo to, ayan. It means, pwede ka nang tawagan ng mga gusto mag-free talk. Pero, di ko feel mag-free talk. Okay. So, kasi, mas bet ko yung mga kids turuan. So, ayan. Stop natin yan. And then, ito na nga. So, ayan, nakapag-book na ako. So, okay. So, doon muna tayo sa application. First application. Shopee naman. Okay. So, click nyo lang tong me. It means your profile. And then, okay. Click nyo tong profile nyo. And ayan. So, it says here na information required. Please provide real and valid personal information which will be checked by a specific team of Pulfish team in order to evaluate if you meet the requirements of becoming a Pulfish teacher. False or invalid personal information will cause a verification failure and application rejection status. Your personal information will be encrypted in Pulfish server. Pulfish will not share your information with any third parties except where required due to stationary causes or unless give express permissions to share said information. So, okay nyo yan? So, ganito kasi yan. First, yung papunta dito. So, dapat set na nyo yung name nyo. Yes, your name. Okay. And then, basta yun, ditong first na ano, ito yung ano nyo, basic info. So, next is, you must create your text intro and then your audio intro. Make sure na kasi strict sila sa pronunciation. You must pronounce yung mga TH like this, those, dapat naka-pronounce yun ng tama. Okay? So, make sure to pronounce it correctly. And then, nationality. So, dito sa nationality, yung ano kasi, ito yung dinownload ko, UMID ID, pero ewan ko kung magkakaproblema pa. So, make sure, ano na lang, para sure, birth certificate na lang yung i-download nyo. Okay? So, yes. And then, started teaching. So, ewan ko, pero yung nilagay ko dito, kasi I started teaching in other ESL at March 2020, pero naging ganito siya. And hindi ko na siya ma-modify. I don't know why. And then, the residential address, your address, certificate, teaching certificate. Okay, so, here's my teaching certificate, TEFL. So, nasa description box below yung link para makakuha kayo ng certificate. And then, the education, okay, fill in lang, and then working experience, and then, make sure to have your Payoneer para, dapat kasi kompleto lahat to bago mo i-submit para hindi ka magka-problema. So, if you don't have Payoneer, must create, and then, kung wala ka namang bank account, pwede mo namang doon ilagay ang bank account ng parents mo or kung sino man yung may bank account. Okay, so that para maka-Payoneer ka, kasi dapat complete na yan. So the tags is about, so yan lang, click mo lang yung mga hobbies. Yes, and then some auto reply message. For example, nagtuturo ka na sa Pulfish, and then yung student is gusto lang mag-chat sa'yo, meron kang auto reply message, meaning, okay, ba't ko lang marinig nyo ha? Ayan, so parang totoo. Totoo talaga yan. So, ayan. So, ito naman, Meron namang ano dito sa facts kung paano siya i-create, and marami din naman sa YouTube and sa Google on how to create your tawag dito, text intro. And also, yung aking audio intro is binasa ko lang yung text intro ko, and then that's it. So, maybe verifying siya, and then pagka kinabukasan naging may nag-chat sa akin. So, ito. May nag-chat. Unang nag-chat is itong Pulfish team. Sabi niya, "Hi, welcome to Pulfish. Your information is not complete. Please fill in everything since your profile is the first thing a potential student will look at. This has to be created very carefully. Please use your best real picture as your avatar. Please create a written introduction, at least 100 words. Please create a recorded self-introduction." And then, ito siya. "Hi teacher, I'm sorry to inform that you have not passed the verification due to some recent click into application basic information check." Okay, so ayan, your teaching of certificate. Pero, nag-pass naman siya. Ano pala siya? Following pala. So, the nationality and okay, the certificate. But, okay, so, at meron din nag-chat sa akin. Chinese siya. Ito siya, saan yan? Ito, si Admin Lan. Di ko siya kilala. Sabi niya sa akin, "Please do not mention the years of teaching in your audio and text intro. Amend them, please." So, kasi, yung intro ko, naglagay ako ng experience ko, 9 months experience ko from other ESL. And then, so ayun, in-erase ko siya doon sa audio and text intro ko. And then, sabi niya sa akin, "When you resubmit it, message me." Okay, and sabi ko, "Can I submit it now?" And then, sabi ko, "But I can submit my birth certificate. It says it's unable." Okay. And, kasi, yung certificate na TFL, nakalagay doon sa aking profile na pass na siya. And then, nag-asa ko, do I have to resubmit again my TFL certificate? It says it in my profile, it's already passed. And then, ang sabi niya, "We have passed your application for free talk." Okay, so free talk. Nakapasa na ako sa free talk. So, sabi ko, "Really? Thank you. But I want to apply to teach kids too." And then, nag-thank you rin ako sa kanya kasi, yun na nga, tinulungan niya ako. And sabi niya, "About the application for official kids course, please contact your interviewer." Okay, sabi ko, "Yes, thank you. I've already booked for my interview for kids course." Okay, so ayun. Nakapasa na nga ako sa aking free talk. Okay, so pwede na ako magturo pero free talk siya. Pero I guess matumal yung free talk. Mas pinipili na yung mga native speakers talaga. And then, so ayan na nga. And kung gusto mo mag-apply for kids course, just click this application. Okay, ayan. So, application. So, the basic information, nakapasa ka na. So, here's my interview. Binook ko siya. Ano lang kasi, pag pass ka na dyan, pwede ka nang mag-set ng interview mo. So, nag-set na ako. Just click the interview kung gusto mong kasi may lalabas na mga time slots dyan. Kung anong time gusto mo or date na gusto mong mag-interview. Okay, so, before ka mag-enter classroom, you must read the warm reminder. Okay, ito. This interview needs to be completed by the teacher alone in the classroom. Assume that in the case of students, you can show your teaching ability and style as much as possible. Number 1 requirement. Show the classroom background. Ito. And props 20 seconds. Simply greet the student and introduce yourself for 10 seconds. Show how to make student understand the action of circle courseware. Okay, so it is very important. In 20 seconds. Lecture time should not be less than 15 minutes. So you must manage your time in each slides. Okay. And then tips. Ask the teacher to assume that the student is 5 years old and has no foundation. Okay. Kasi sa interview mo wala kang student, ikaw lang, sarili mo. And you must pretend American student nakausap. And then please make sure Please make full use of props, AR, body language, TPR, or ganda. Hello, can you hear me? Yes, yan. Star awards and other aids to help students understand and adjust the classroom atmosphere. So after ng interview, may quiz. Pero sabi ng recruit sa akin is tutulungan niya ako for this, and then the certificate verification, the certificate na binasa mo, may verification, and then the application success. So mahaba-haba pang kakayudin ko. So let's try to enter the classroom. Yan, got it. So ayan ako. Okay, so ayan na siya. Grabe namang filter dito. Ang hamis-hamis ko naman. So ayan na nga. Nandito na tayo sa loob ng para siyang virtual classroom, yes. Pero on cellphone siya. Napaka-convenient niya kasi cellphone na siya. You can use your data if you don't have internet. Okay. And this one, itong headset na ginamit ko is Plantronics. So, gumamit lang ako ng OTG para maganda talaga yung quality ng voice. Kasi para ma-lessen yung noise. Especially maraming aso dito. Manok. And everything na maingay. Then, ito na nga. So, ito yung lang makikita mo. Ito yung students mo. Kunwari, he is 5 years old, you will say. And meron namang TG. TG means a teacher's guide. Pwede mo itong basahin. Pwede ka mag-practice. Okay, practice. Okay, so, dito na mula tayo. Hindi ko naman. Hello, auntie. Hidig nyo ba? Hello. Ito yan eh. Ay, ewan. Okay, so dito lang muna tayo, guys. So, ito lang muna yung i-film ko kasi abangan nyo yung demo class ko, okay? So, I will just practice and see you in my demo class soon. Okay, so just click X to exit the classroom and then okay. And then, yes. And here is my profile and June. Ba yan? Nope. Okay, that is my profile. So, ayan. So, hindi pa ako natatanggap. Nagpo-post na ako ng mga videos, mga moments. So, para siyang Facebook, guys. Pwede kang mag-ano ng moments mo. So, ayun lang, guys. See you in my next vlog. This is my very first vlog. Okay, see you in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye-bye.